Fuji-Haya and LS are lifting off for Visayas and Mindanao. Our months of planning, preparation, and training will finally be tested and confirmed. Awaiting the final launch and liftoff are 4 of our sales and technical personnel, who are now already based in Cebu, trained and ready to answer the needs of the Vismin customers. Our mission in the planets of Visayas and Mindanao is to have boots on the ground in order to plant the seeds, nurture the roots, and care for the customer's needs by consistently delivering the most reliable electrical distribution and control equipment. We will provide them with capable after-sales service and maintenance that Fuji-Haya is well known for in the industry. We aim to be a meaningful partner in the development and growth of the Visayas and Mindanao region. Fuji-Haya Electric has been stamping its mark in the Philippine electrical industry for nearly 40 years. Each and every switchgear and control gear that we have made since the beginning in 1979 carries the heart and soul of what we do. They represent the passion, dedication, and commitment that we bring to our jobs every day to protect our customers and their electrical systems so that their vital operations will never be unintendedly interrupted. From our humble beginnings in the 70s, Fuji-Haya has become the biggest switchgear manufacturer in the country today, with numerous CNC metalworking machines, a fully automated powder coating line, state-of-the-art electric and electronic testing and calibrating equipment. We have the largest assembly bay in the industry that can accommodate any number of projects with diverse products ranging from 36 kV outdoor switchgears to meter centers and lighting and distribution panel boards. As we make takeoffs, tender bids and win them, as we design and make drawings, secure customer and consultants' approvals, as we confirm and monitor very short delivery requests, as we punch and bend, weld and form various metals into the enclosure that will house and secure the electrical components, as we wire and bus and integrate the functions and transform them into a complete switchgear, we are always reminded of the special nature of our business, that all these products are made to order, specifically designed, engineered, manufactured, and tested to suit and satisfy one customer's unique needs and specifications. We are very much aware that it is not an easy business. In fact, it is very challenging and frustrating at times. But it is the only business we have. And it is the one that we all in Fuji-Haya have now learned to love. The coming together of LS, Fuji-Haya Electric, and Encao brings a unique and powerful synergy to the Visayas and Mindanao market. LS is the biggest and most competent circuit breaker and bus duct manufacturer in Korea, with a dominant share of the Korean market. LS also has power transformers such as cast resin and pad mount, and together with their circuit breakers and bus duct, they make a logical choice for the Vismin client who wants one brand security and a single point of reference for their major electrical and distribution equipment. Together with Fuji-Haya, who manufactures the switchgears and performs equipment engineering and systems integration, from receiving high-voltage switchgears to power transformers, to low-voltage switchgears and bus ducts and metering, the Vismin client can now take full advantage of this one single point of reference and one brand guarantee for their projects. The third leg of this partnership is Encao, who carries very substantial local stocks of LS circuit breakers and is ready at any time to meet Vismin requirements on a stock basis. The most compelling reason for using LS for your electrical equipment requirements is that LS products are all manufactured in Korea, unlike other well-known European brands which are made by outside companies in China on OEM basis and then relabeled for sale to the Philippines. The LS circuit breakers and cast resin transformers are manufactured entirely in the Cheongju factory. Uniquely for LS, they even have their own high voltage and short circuit testing facility inside their factory, which no other manufacturer can claim to have. There are 4 important and essential elements that are at the core of our business: quality, cost, delivery, service. In Fuji-Haya, we recognize and appreciate the trust given to us by the client when he gives us an order, and we absolutely reciprocate and repay that trust by giving the client service that is competent and immediate. Each and every switchgear delivered since 2004, no matter how small, has a sticker with a unique serial number. That serial number is linked to a quality control test report that is stored in our file server in Canlubang. This data is accessible 24/7, 365 days a year. Our service personnel have the same mindset and are ready to provide competent and reliable service at a moment's notice on a 24/7, 365-day basis. In the course of nearly 4 decades of being in the switchgear business, there are customers who have been with us through thick and thin, and we wish to acknowledge them. Meralco has been a customer since 1982, when the first 36 kV outdoor VCB switchgear was delivered, installed, and commissioned at Camagong Makati substation. To date, we have manufactured over 200 vertical sections of high-voltage switchgears for Meralco. The Camagong substation switchgears are still operating and in very good order. Ayala started doing business with Fuji-Haya in 1983 as Ayala Investment and Development Corporation, or AIDC. Their first project was the Ayala Twin Towers on Ayala Avenue. To date, we have supplied over 100 projects for Ayala and its subsidiaries. While others pay lip service to quality, we pay a lot of attention to detail. Details are what makes or breaks a switchgear. Nothing is too small or too minute or too insignificant, because a simple wrong wiring connection can cause a short circuit that will render inoperable the whole switchgear. Even a small relay not installed properly can cause the breaker not to trip and thus render the protective function of the switchgear useless. Fuji-Haya customers are assured of the best value for their money, because what they are buying is not just a switchgear. Reliability, adherence to world-class quality standards, strict compliance to specifications, and a proven track record of dedicated after-sales service